Iceland is famous for its jaw-dropping natural beauties. Moreover, when it comes to canyons, Iceland has some of the most beautiful in the world. Canyons may not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of Iceland. You might think of glaciers, waterfalls, and hot springs, and perhaps the Vikings, but canyons never seem to make the cut. But you will be surprised after watching this video. The dramatic landscapes of this country were carved out by glaciers. Those glaciers dredged deep and craggy but beautiful scars into the land, leaving us with majestic canyons, gullies, and ravines. Later on, rivers, floods, volcanic eruptions, and other natural occurrences carved out even more canyons and reshaped the terrain into what it is today. Canyons are now an important part of the country's identity. Many of them now have viewing platforms built for the best and safest views, and some even have designated walking pathways to help you explore them more thoroughly. The Malalufur Canyon, also known as the Mules Canyon, is located on Iceland's south coast, close to the glacier lagoons of Fjellsárlón and Jökulsárlón. Imagine green mossy cliffs, birds flying through the mist, a canyon so deep that it could perfectly serve as a dragon's lair, and a waterfall coming straight out of a mountain. It's not hard to see why this is one of the best day hikes in Iceland. The summer season is the best and most favorable for hiking and spending hours exploring the nearby area and long terrains. While in the autumn and spring seasons, due to the rainy weather, it might be extremely slippery and muddy all around, not that favorable for hiking. Malalufur Canyon and the two main waterfalls in the canyon is one stunning place that you cannot afford to miss. This canyon has been hidden from travelers for years, but has recently began to make its way to travelers' bucket lists. Fjadrargalufur is a stunning and magical canyon close to Kirkjubæjarklaustur in the southeast of Iceland. Fjadrargalufur was formed 2 million years ago and is 100 meters deep and 2 kilometers long. Although it might be ancient, but its popularity is very new. This Iceland canyon is not too far from the Ring Road in the south of the country. It can be visited the same day as Eldrown Lava Field, another beautiful moss-covered landscape found just on the other side of the Ring Road from the canyon. Fjadrargalufur Canyon was put on the map by a combination of booming Icelandic tourism and a viral music video made by international pop artist Justin Bieber. You can enjoy stupendous views and tumbling waterfalls with a visit to Fjadrargalufur. Studlagill Canyon can be found in East Iceland in the glacier valley called Jökuldalur. With walls made of towering, black basalt, this canyon is unique and worthy of praise. Standing near it will make you think you have landed on an alien planet. With the largest number of basalt rock columns in Iceland and a stunning blue-green glacial river to contrast, Studlagill is one of Iceland's hidden gems. The canyon is 500 meters long and with 20 to 30 meters basalt columns on both sides of the river. The color of the river differs between seasons, from blue, green during the summer to gray, brown when Kárahnjúkar Dam is on overflow status and when snow melts into the river. There are also many more canyons to visit in Iceland. These are some of the honorable mentions that we did not display. Valley of Skógar, Sigöldugalufur Canyon in Southern Highlands, Kolulufur in North Iceland, Gullfoss Canyon in South Iceland, Almannagjá Canyon,